Hey, what's going on today, guys? My name is that Volkswagen guy, and today I'm actually at my workplace going to show you what kind of detail products that we have at my local workplace. And if you guys want to see me test some of these products in the spring, let me know. So yeah, let's flip the camera and all right, so first of all, we got Chemical Guys Diablo wheel cleaner. I've never actually used this stuff, but I heard it's pretty good. Next, we got Chemical Guys Hydro Speed, water spot remover, VSS scratch and swirl remover. Then we got the Lucas detail kit, which comes with interior detailer, tire shine, and speed wax. As well as we got the detailer and the shine as themselves. We got a Lucas metal polish here. And then we got a Turtle Wax carpet cleaner, and then ice and seal and shine. I've never actually used this stuff, but I heard it's pretty good. I really want to try it out, so maybe a video. Rubbing compound by Turtle Wax, scratch and repair, hybrid solution ceramic 3-in-1 detailer from Turtle Wax. My personal favorite, Armor All ceramic extreme shield car wash, Mother's ceramic wash and coat, and Meguiar's ceramic wash and wax with the SiO2 booster. And then we will go over to this shelf here. We got the Extreme Shield rim cleaner. I have tested this out. Watch the video and you'll get my opinion on it. Tire coating I have not done a video on yet, but that will be coming soon. The glass treatment, as you guys know from my 2 videos that I made on it. Yeah, if not, watch them. Links down below in the description. Then we got a carpet and upholstery cleaner, Rain-X glass cleaner / interior cleaner, Black Magic tire foam, so it's more like a tire shine. Then we got Black Magic multi-surface detailer, Intense Wet, Meguiar's ceramic wax. I have used this stuff in my How to Detail series. Meguiar's quick detailer, Meguiar's quick wax. Normally right here we would have a Mother's wheel cleaner, but we actually have a hard time getting that right now. Then on the bottom shelf we have Turtle Wax Max Power. Good soap, haven't tried it yet. And Meguiar's Hot Shine tire shine. And then let's go down the actual aisle here. We got a pole, but behind that pole is Armor All heavy duty rim cleaner, vent and duct cleaner, as well as a vehicle detailer. We got some polishing compound by Turtle Wax right there, and then super heavy duty rubbing compound and invisible glass, as well as tar and sap remover. Now on this side of the post we have Armor All protectant. I don't really like Armor All that much, so I'm just gonna glance over them because I really don't like Armor All. Like the leather care, the glass cleaner, yeah, whatever. So yeah, this is actually a paste wax, sorry, and then polishing compound, wax and dry, dash and glass. I really want to try this stuff out, so if you really guys want me to make a video on it, let me know. This really isn't a product, but great for cleaning windows. Water repellent. Watch my Armor All versus Rain-X video. You'll get the results of that. Anti-fog. Oh, that was unexpected. I guess don't tap the shelves. Headlight restoration kit. For some reason, parts cleaner. But we also got Odory, like Odorex, upholstery cleaner, bug and tar remover, OxyClean, more Armor All. And then a ceramic detailer. I really want to try this stuff out. We got Meguiar's ceramic wax. a headlight restoration kit, as well as more of the Lucas. And someone's honking outside. Spray 9 glass cleaner, Spray 9 Seafoam Bug Be Gone, that's old product. More tire shine, rich leather cleaner, interior detailer, leather wipes, more shine, plastic restorer, Plastic X, Scratch 2.0, endurance tire gel. I really want to try this stuff out. I heard it works great. Tire spray, Ultimate Shine mousse and hot shine foam. Got your waxes, wheel and tire cleaner, good stuff. 2 clay bar kits, Scratch Doctor, new finish. I really want to try this stuff out and see how it works. More new finish, hybrid solutions right here. You got your polish and wax, spray coating, and wash and wax. Then you got a foam can in here from Chemical Guys, as well as Honeydew Snow Foam, Stitcher's Washing Gloss, Mr. Pink, Hydro Suds. Yeah, as you can tell, just from glancing. And then we got Armor All, Black Magic No Scrub Wheel Cleaner. I am gonna give this stuff a try, so stay tuned for a video on that. Most of your tire shines, and then more Armor All. And then we got Mother Ceramic Spray Coating, polishes, plastic restorer, wheel and tire cleaner, chrome polish, back to black, scratch remover, instant detailer, leather cleaner, VLR. I heard that's very good stuff, by the way, at the VLR. More protectant, wax, polish, wax, clay bar kit. And then you got your soaps. So car wash, deep crystal car wash, sorry. Gold class, 3M. Don't know about that one. Zip wax, more glass cleaner. Then you got a turtle wax car wash here, Armor All, Mothers, Armor All, and Rain-X. So yeah, if you guys want me to test out any of these products, let me know down below in the description. Also hit that subscribe button because I am 49 away from 400. So yeah, let's boost those numbers up. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, leave a thumbs up, comment, subscribe. I hope y'all, and I'll see you all in the next video.